running again, running again, running again, but...
Hey, yo, what up, Famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me Jesus, big up me Jesus.
It's all about famous.
FamousSosick. Hey, Sean, that's me representing for Famous.
Ding Dang Ravens represent for FamousSosick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
People, check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad, yes.
Me tell you some day I do some laundry, just put them in. Have my laundry card, yo, them something bad. I forgot how they name, but some like scented things where you put in your clothes. Fully machine. Me never know so much my teeth out little while. My teeth out too much. This, you know. My soap mixed with my little fabric softener. Swag one, you know. $18 on the card there. Put to give them out 10. Hold on. Me have to put in my fabric and my soap. You don't know this a pre-wash. So you're gonna give all of it. You give some. Put in some of this stuff. It's a pre-wash, so you're not give the whole of soap. So it's gonna just pre-wash it. So see, it's a pre-wash right now. I have to go wait for around 10 more minutes and then you go up and wash. Then I put in everything. Yet again, me forgot one more socks. Just 1 foot of socks. This always happen to me. Every time I come here for wash, me forgot to put in 1 foot of socks. Oh my God. So ladies and gentlemen, right about now, you don't know, so we're there. Killawalk in the place. You know what I mean? We're outside. I know a long time I don't see Killawalk. But we're there. I soon put on my seatbelt. I just reach in my car. So no beat me yet for the seatbelt because I know when to stay. You know what I mean? So tonight, hold on, we still gonna get food?
No, we are going to bowl.
A bowling we are go. Alright. So me think we gonna get food. The plan was we go get food and then we go bowling. So now we have to go straight to bowling. But yeah, we are about to go link Trabass right now. Link up with Dante. Link up with Mell and Nathalee. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be a festive night.
It's a reunion.
You know what I mean? Rain a beat out the door right now. Right now.
Long Island right now.
Hold on, Long Island to the for real?
Long Island.
Then tell me, sir, Queens, you know?
Next to Queens.
Well,
Same
place. I think black version say my forward too. So I don't know, I think in that for link Mell for the address. Yeah, but we about to go on a Long Island run one part run one place. It's a bowling alley, me as a music play them beating like a dance. A bowling alley / dance. Reggae night, soca night and all of them stuff when I keep there. Killer, you never got there before?
I'm not going to say it. My first time doing this.
We don't know what you expect.
Yeah, one of piece of the road.
You understand? But we're linking back with everybody, me and checking back with them, so we're there. Who is here? I'm not who is here? I mean, Killawalk there, so Dante is in the building. You know what I mean? The one thing one always supposed to remember about Donga Dante is always. Yeah, the man over there with the crown lizard.
I'll be a run belly sitting in a Dante fridge.
Yeah, no
I'll be a
green. Killawalk, we need to start consume greens good for you.
No, me and me Casamigo in the fridge.
Oh, why you mix up from yesterday?
Yeah, man, I me the truth a little bit still.
Man, I mix Casamigo and Hennessy from yesterday. That well sit down, so you know say that when it
Fermented.
One of them word.
Flabberlated.
Something going like that. Dante!
You want big word for something?
What F word?
Reserve lamb.
We're seasoned well long. We marinate. Fermentate.
I say marinate already.
A ferment.
Well.
Reserve.
No, F word. Like when you put liquor, you say it well fermented. Yes.
Yeah, fermented.
Yes. So I got a few punch there. I wouldn't just splash it. No, not catch. No, catch you. You're wicked, dog.
The wicked and cold. We make the cake here.
This a brother, you have to hear the man. Man got Florida and can't let it go now. What is that one here?
Yeah. Dirt bounce. Simple.
Hold on again.
You're clean. Everybody know this.
Yo, so hold on, with version. Version never fall. Version in a building, you know what I mean? No pity, no pity.
Guys, I'm already. But then, yes, I know, right? What we are doing is, we are waiting for Nathalee them, everybody.
Then say you have to wear a mask going there. So me have my mask, everything. Dante going there, people in place to call with gun. He have to bring it back.
Me a bad man.
He have to bring it back.
That damn gunman.
Look how much they arrest him.
The gunman.
Hey boy!
Big monkey, you two can't pick up our plane, and I pick up instrumental. Okay. Yeah, right now we're there, and I be a music, so me have to go speed it up if you don't get copyright. Where's Antony Sewell? What is tattoo artist? We're there, we are waiting for Mell and all of them to forward right now.
We find bathroom.
You know that's so loud.
You know not so loud.
Version just cool.
Version. Where do? The mask mash up all of my beard. I ain't not start yet. I can't smoke in there, you know. A joke. You know, I don't see nobody else smoking there. Because I see Dante in there, you know. Alright, so there. Tell you now. I be a music I play, I be a copyright.
Wait, are we holding us Madeleine? Where are you? Trabass, I got drunk right now. Promo right now. I'm not bigger. Irie. We are going to hold in Madeleine. Right there, so baby. Yo, are people here, you know? Do they name up everything already, you know? This is a birthday about to go bowling at Madeleine. You even know where I'm doing. You must have people playing game. Somebody game, you must just take over, you know. Somebody game? Yeah. Are you game? Oh, sorry. He said you're good there. Rough. I'm doing it. Look what's happening. We are not doing it. Gonna reach it. So Nathalee just reached right now. You know what I mean? Go heal up Jody. Walk one. Yeah, man. Just buy something bad. Killawalk a bill piece.
I'm going to do something, I don't heard them sitting there, you know. Them things are not very proper, we just have press button.
Okay, safe to this. Killawalk don't know where I'm do.
You have both players?
Yeah,
we have them two, yeah. We might get this third man too, but we don't know.
We get help, we get help. We get help, so we're good now, we're good. How are you doing, Kyle? Nothing. Let me see that. Let me see that. Dante, let me see ya. Let me see ya. Why are you touching him? Sit down a little bit, rest. You're telling him to rest a little bit. Go on again. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Yes, warm up. Warm up. You're not here? Yeah, and that's why you miss me, Quagga, you're not here? Makes sense. Oh, you have to use that. So what, you have to use that? Go on, run it. That one is better. You want it better? Some kind of really good job. And this man out there use. This is Nathalee have. So you have. One did it. One. Yeah. That no good nowhere. Can't do over. I want to never pay attention. Trabass bowl already and you want bowl again. Nathalee bowl. Yeah, are you bowl that? You lose one bowl. Nothing doing. You get strike? Killawalk get the first strike. Jodia go up and I'm still Jodia. This is what Jodia go do. What's up? What's up? Okay, how about that? How about that? Yes, in here, it's all over. Yeah. I go finish some more football. And I'm here to leave. I'm here to leave still. Almost. Bad light. Bad light. Bad light. Bad light. Nathalee, I don't know what's up. All of the dancing, they feel nothing. We have Mell in the building, guys. Where? Out the door? Mell said there's a thunderstorm out the door. Thank God we inside. Jody, more Jody for lose, yo. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. How are you, Mayo? See that, see that. White green bag? Three left, one left, two. Well, let me do something here, sit up there for that. Him up. A two. That's you, eh? Bad light. And I forgot this. Bad light. In a full of fog.
You don't know where the smoke come from. I'll be hydrated now.
That's me, I say. Me a lead by 1 point. Gutter, please. Me they want to take a good shot. Still I walk over there. No.
Oh, no, Nathalee, wait, no.
What are you doing?
This is what I'm thinking.
Me not gonna try something there. Nothing doing. Nothing. Gutter ball. Me telling you. Mell know what you do. Mell get a little while. A pop-up store, beginner's price. Beginner's luck, Mell get. The man start in 9 innings with 65 and end with 65.
What's the winner?
Yeah, winner. One. How are you, friend? That is good. That is good. Right now, I'm in the second place. Miss it. We have pressure to miss it. The one you can miss the one you know what. Impossible. Impossible. Put it. Joey can't be beaten. If they not play man song, go down. For Joey gone. What are you doing? You know that video? That video. We're not come first, but we come second. Ready? Almost done.
Become second. Become second. Lord, I do it. 69. Become second. Jody, a thief. Jody get it first. Be a fool up on the table. Someone needs somebody outside. Come. Jody, come. Trabass trying to get somebody outside. Come here. Come here. Let's go. Ready to revive. Come on. Alright. Go the ball already.
Alright, now that's the great time, but the great time.
I'm not losing this time.
Dance. Logo. What's the logo?
Trabass. Daddy, do it quick. Do it, see him. Running, man. One again. Running again. But nothing doing. Watch out. Nathalee, are you again? You get that strike, little boy. The exercise, am I name? And that's how you get. Yeah, man, in got school for bowling, you know, watch out. In got school for bowling, watch this. That is good. That is good. I'm lit. That is good. That don't count. That don't count. That is good. What's that one I know? Nothing doing. Yeah, man, nothing doing. All right, Jody again now. That's perfect. A light ball lot? Yes. Jody ball lot. Trabass have a light ball? No. I don't want them more for ball, you know. I want them more. The game done, we win. Jody come second this time. Me win. What's up? 3 minutes less in my ball no more. Can lose. Trabass come second to last. Nathalee come last. We come first. First, we come. Dante, watch out. What are you doing? Sorry, are you? Killawalk. Black version, what's that? Nothing. Still have 2 ways in there. This is one that fling out the whole and soul and can't hold no more. Almost, we have one left. What is the one here now? So far, me I win again. 44, so far, me I win again. Away again. We're not really up there now. That's what. You have vlog?
No.
Delete everything.
Black version in our building, you know what I mean? Him get 1 strike for one night. 1 strike for one night. He gone. Trabass not get nothing. Jody come first in first game. 109. That good. Mell go on good. Them see your stance. But you not score none.
On what?
Yeah, you win. But still I play for your body. Mell lead up on different people's side. Trabass come last twice. In my role, come Trabass and I be playing play.
Right now we outside. You know what I mean? We here, Nathalee in the building. We are going home right now.
I love him.
I want them, brother.
Trabass a blow smoking and the party not done?
I'm gonna come out and go play that.
Right now, here.
The man they have the party right now. Beg you some of this, Trabass.
Hey, guys.
Black version.
Wait.
Killawalk.
Make it work.
Outside, outside.
Wait, I need a lighter.
Jody.
I need a
So we
lighter.
out there.
Trabass.
Yo.
Nathalee.
We out there in the
Me.
Lighter.
We there. We outside. You see this one brother here? This one man go bowling, school for bowling. Me see man that curl some ball from way out.
Rain a fall.
Rain a fall, Killawalk.
Lighter.
Yeah. Hey.
Everybody know this. When we come to my man, what like that? They know what things when we just watch this. I did brand new dance, me a teach you. If you want girl, that's man, I show you them boys. Give them know all the thing, brand new dance, it's simple. Tag with that, show them the thing, that. Everybody get your bones with ya. Everybody get your bones with ya. Everybody get your bones with ya.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it end up in